Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is a Roccabox one. And this is what the box looks like. Now, I subscribe to the monthly subscription box. I've been subscribed since, I think it's since December. So only a couple of months, but I was a regular subscriber when they first released in 2017. I subscribed for a whole year and then I decided to take a break. But a load of you have been saying, Claire, have you seen Roccabox? Have you unboxed any of their boxes before? So I thought I'd bring it back to my channel, and yeah, a lot of you like to watch them. I just pay monthly, so then I'm able to cancel whenever I wish. So a couple of weeks ago, Roccabox got in touch with me. I'm assuming they must have seen my videos or my posts on social media or something, because before that I hadn't had any contact with them before, but they messaged me to say that would I be interested in giving you lot a 20% discount code. Not affiliated, so I don't receive any commission or anything like that, so I just thought, well, yeah, okay then, no problem. So yeah, so I've now got a 20% off code for you lot if you're interested in subscribing for yourself. Then a week or two ago I got another message from them saying something very cryptic. I can't remember now exactly what it said in the email, but they were planning a limited edition and they would like to send me something, and they asked for my star sign and my address. So I thought, oh, okay then. I'm quite happy paying for my own subscription. I'm not on their PR list, nothing like that, but I was curious to see what they'd send me. So yeah, they sent me one of these. So they are now available on their website. They didn't say anything about that I had to do a video, had to do photos, nothing. It was just literally, we're planning this, we've got this, we think you would like it, and what's your star sign? We'd like to send you one. That is it. So I thought I'll do a video to show you, and also I'd like you lot to tell me as well what previous limited edition boxes that Roccabox have done have been like, because I'm just curious to see how they are and how often they come out. So let's get on to unboxing it then. As you've probably guessed, as they asked what my star sign was, which Cancerian, I'm a water sign. So an emotional, caring person that has a big belly and likes food. That's what I read many years ago, and it just, yeah. I'm a qualified counsellor and I love food, and I have got a bit of a belly as well. Apologies if I've offended any of you, but yeah. So you've got the elements related to your star sign. So we've got air, we've got fire, water and earth, and they're all slightly different. From what I can see on their website, there's one or two items that are different in each box. Now the cost of the box is £25 because their subscription box is £10 a box and it's £3.95 shipping. So this might be the same. So £25 plus £3.95 shipping. I'll find out and I'll put all links and yeah, everything down below in my description. So underneath this video, see show more, if you click that, then all details and everything would be listed down there. So we've got a Virgin Wines voucher. Then we got a little leaflet here, and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, and it's actually got here, oh, I'll read it. It's all about water. What are water signs? It is Cancerian, Pisces. What's the other one? Scorpio. I think that's the water. We're all pretty similar, I think. Anyway, water signs, apparently passionate, intuitive and sensitive. Water signs are deeply attuned to the waves of their own emotions, and those are the ones around them. Often known as a healing force, water signs are actually emotionally intuitive and show great compassion and warmth in relationships. This Zodiac edit focuses on ingredients with naturally occurring healing properties, vibrant colour palettes and captivating radiance enhancing products to reflect the artistic, romantic nature of the water sign. So I'll just get rid of all these worms. Woo! Oh look, I've just filmed another unboxing and I've only just noticed that they're there. So yeah, I'll get them off in a minute. Can't see much so far, but I'll pick an item up, show you and refer to the leaflet. So the first item in the box is a Sapphire sheet mask. Relax mind and hydrate skin, made with sapphire powder, blueberries and violet powders. And it's a gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy, colour therapy. So it's a 4-in-1 sheet masks, and it's by Vitamasques, which is a Korean skincare company. Wow, I'm intrigued by that. Really intrigued. This blue coloured mask contains sapphire stone powder and lavender essential oil to help you to relax at the same time. The blue plant extracts such as blueberries and violet flowers helps to hydrate your skin. I will try that out either tonight or tomorrow, and I'll film little bits of it. So if you're interested in seeing what it looks like and my thoughts, then follow me on Instagram, which is Diaryofabeautygeek, same as this. So the recommended retail price for this mask is £5.99, and then it just goes on to telling you exactly what I read on the back there. So we've got a multi-sensory sheet mask. So there's that. Next we've got a full-size palette, and this is by the Beauty Crop, and it's Stargazing palette. Eyeshadow palette, talc-free, formulated with jojoba and coconut oils. Ooh, you might not be able to see there, the ring light. I'll just get it out and show you. Get my little trusty nail scissors to open it. All these lights around me are reflecting off this, and it's like, I can't see them properly. Those shades are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I am drawn to that one, and look at that one. Oh my gosh. That is so, so pretty. Really, really pretty. Let's try Orion and Neptune. Oh, look. That is gorgeous. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, the purple one. It doesn't show it there, but it's got like little pink flecks, like pink glitter flecks. Might not be able to see it on camera. Can you see? That is so pretty. Let's try the Supernova down here. Wow. Oh, this is such a pretty palette. I'm really, really chuffed with this. So the recommended retail price for this palette is £20. This rich toned palette features 12 velvety, highly pigmented shades in a range of matte, metallic and glitter formulas. Inspired by faraway galaxies and the astral shades of the Milky Way, these jojoba and coconut oil enriched shadows range from bold, striking jewel tones to luminous, cosmic-inspired silver glitters. Use the palette to layer shades and textures or build colour for a bold block look. Next we've got another product by Vitamasques, and this is a rose gold Hydroglow cream. It's a dewy cream made with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, pearl powder and gold extract, and it's 30 mils there. Can be applied all over for a dewy sun-kissed look. Alternatively, double up as a highlighter, adding buildable illumination to your finished look. I love these type of things. I love them. Ooh! Look at that. It's rose gold. Look, before I rub it in there. Can you see? Look. Oh, is that changing colour? Yes, it is. Look, it's colour changing. It comes out white, but it changes into like a rose colour. Oh, wow. Hold on, let me blend that in a little bit more. Oh, that is really pretty. Can you see? It's a subtle shimmer, like a subtle sort of glow. Oh, that is really, really nice. So what can I tell you about it here? This is a full-size product, and whoo, the recommended retail price is £25.99. It says here, a rich 2-in-1 daily moisturiser and primer. Hydroglow cream comes with illuminating gold extracts. This precious metal is known to stimulate skin cells and activate basal cells, increasing elasticity in the skin. And then it goes into telling you what I read on the back there. Oh, I love that. Absolutely love that. Oh, I can't wait to give that a go. I hope I really like it on my skin. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Mélusine Paris, and I'm sure if it's the same one. Let me see. Yes, I've already got one of these. It's a Jade roller. I got it in a subscription box, a different one. Oh, I don't know when. In the last couple of months anyway. But if you've never used a Jade roller before, these are gorgeous. They are so, so nice. Oh my gosh, I could do with it now. I'm feeling quite hot. These are so, so nice, especially if you put them in the fridge and then use them. You can use it on its own, or you can use it like after you've applied a serum or something, or even a face mask, you know, going over to help penetrate into your skin. Oh, I love them. I love them. But I've got exactly the same one, so there's no point me keeping two. So I'm going to give that away. Obviously I clean it first. So this is a full size, and the recommended retail price is £16.49. It says, known as a dream stone, Jade soothes the mind and body, bringing peace and tranquility to the user. It reduces pores, dark circles and fine lines, and boosts circulation and collagen production, leaving your skin smooth, radiant and tightened. So you've got a Jade roller. Then I've got a glitter highlighting cream in shade Déjà Vu, and this is In Your Dreams. I haven't heard of this brand before. Ooh. It looks really subtle on my hand there, but it's a soft shimmery highlighter, but these colours I don't tend to wear. I just don't like them on me. There's a colour shift between pink and like in coral in there. I prefer my highlighters to be quite natural looking. A blush now, fine. Like this is more like a highlighting blush because it's obviously a colour. I like my contour. If I ever wear contour, I don't hardly wear it anymore, but sometimes I do. Contour to be matte, bronzer to have a slight shimmer, blush to be matte, and then highlighter to be like a nice subtle shimmer, but something that makes my face look dewy and a little bit sweaty. Not glittery and super sparkly shimmery. And then I blend it all in together softly with a big fluffy brush, and then I put a load of setting spray on my face, then a dewy setting spray, so that it all comes together nicely. I don't tend to wear highlighters like this, so I might give it to my daughter. I think it'll look gorgeous on her. So this is full size and it'll cost you £12. This cream formula comes with a subtle hint of glitter to illuminate your face and body with an out-of-the-world shine. Go astral and layer it underneath loose glitter, or apply alone to cheeks, lips and eyes for a luminous buildable pink shimmer. Apply using a finger or a brush to high points across the body to create a heavenly full body highlight. See? That changes things a bit. I was thinking it's like a highlighting blush. So a multi-use highlighting cream. I think I'll still give it to my daughter, see if she wants it. So there's that. And lastly, I got a drink, and this is a Horlicks drink, and it's a chocolate hot malty goodness. Just add water. So you've got a packet of hot chocolate there. Love hot chocolate, love it. So this will cost you 35p, and it just says enriched with vitamins and minerals, this malted chocolate treat is sinfully creamy and comforting. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up. So in this Roccabox limited edition box, this is the water box, and the differences in products I think are maybe the shade of the cream highlighter and some of the palettes and the mask. I think everyone gets a Jade roller, a Hydroglow cream and a Horlicks, and all of the contents come to around £80. I think this is a really lovely box. It's a fantastic idea. I think it is so cool to do like the elements and your star signs and everything. I'm really grateful for Roccabox of reaching out to me and just surprising me, not telling me much information at all. but no, I'm really happy, so thank you. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you get yourself a limited edition box by Roccabox? Did you get this one? Or obviously if you've got a different star sign to me, did you get a different one? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.